కాలేజ్ జాయిన్ అయినప్పుడు మనం యూజువల్‌గా థింక్ చేస్తాం. బీటెక్ కంప్లీట్ అయ్యాక జాబ్ వస్తది అని. బట్ హానెస్ట్‌లీ క్యాంపస్ ప్లేస్‌మెంట్ రియాలిటీ ఈస్ డిఫరెంట్. టుడే ఐ వాంటెడ్ టు షేర్ సమ్ థింగ్స్ దట్ ఎవ్రీ కాలేజ్ స్టూడెంట్ షుడ్ know. First thing, just having a degree is not enough. Companies don't look only at your marks or degree. They also look at your skills, communication, aptitude, coding, projects, and how you are performing in an interview. So don't wait until your fourth year to start preparation. Second, don't compare your placement journey with your friends. Maybe your friend get a job before you. That does not mean you are less talented. Everyone has a different journey. Some students get selected in their first interview. Some students may face many rejections before getting first job. That's completely normal. Third thing, start preparing early. Learn one programming language properly. Practice aptitude and coding regularly. Improve your communication skills. Build small projects. Start preparing a good resume. Don't start everything in 1 month before interview. Some preparations every day make you a big difference. And finally, rejection is a not end. If one company reject you, learn from it. Maybe you need better communication. Maybe you need more coding practice. Maybe your interview preparation needs improvement. Take the rejection as a feedback and try again. Subscribe to my channel.